incomplete for us. On that note, before we start this event, before we reveal the brand which we are looking forward to, I would like to invite Mr. Anand Agarwal. Forward, sir. Joining him, Mr.
Awaited moment is here, moment we've
forward to have your valuable maybe sessions or something. I request anybody out of you, please join us in revealing the brand here. So all the journalist friends here, I request 4, 5, 6, 7 people, please come and join us in revealing the product.
Lovely. So, keep your palm, keep towards the screen. Lovely. At the count of 3, here we go. 3, 2, 1, anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Lovely. Perfect. Chori Chapale, and this is Karnataka, the debut Friday. We all are super duper excited. Woodpecker's brand debut in Karnataka in just 3 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Revolutionary entry to the Indian market. The most awaited twist to open. Woodpecker Beer twist to open. And we are truly excited to bring this to you all. Karnataka, Nimma Bolte. Woodpecker's brand debut आगे. Lovely. Thank you all.
Forward. Set. Turn. Okay.
Thank you so much. That's twist to open Woodpecker Beer for us.
Coming in front of you. Before I move forward and talk about the brand, I'll quickly cover.
Thank you. Thanks to everyone. Please take your seat. Brand na reveal ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ twist open ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ taste ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ.
Last 3 financial year, we are the fastest growing beer company in the country. We are the fastest growing beer. So why Woodpecker? So Woodpecker, we actually test marketed Woodpecker first before launching 650 ml, 330 ml bottles and 500 ml can. And similarly, Woodpecker Crest is a mild beer which, Glide is a mild beer which comes into same 3 pack size of 6.3 ml bottle, 330 ml bottle and 500 ml can. First printed bottle and first twist can. So this is what I said, that if you ask me, is a very discerning consumer. He's open to try something new to the category.
From beer and having the value for money. Where we believe in value for money. We in nowhere in the world strong beer is sold. But in India, it is strong beer is more than 95% in the roadside map. All they look value for money. So strong beer, which is having 94.
So all our activities will be focused on majorly the points of consumption, which is where the legal drinking age will be. Right? Whether it is the premium on-premise, whether it is the premium on-premise, or even the regular bars. That is where the premium consumers are coming. Right? So we will be focusing our activities and interactions with them, engagements with them in those channels most. And of course, you know, social media is a big draw in terms of communicating and engaging with the consumers. That will be one of the channels that we will be doing.
इसके बारे में हाँ इंग्लिश हिंदी Today is a very big day for Som group of companies where we are launching our Woodpecker beer in the beer capital of the country. We have got a firm belief that if the beer is successful in a Karnataka market, then this sets an example for all India, and it paves the way for all India launch. So we have taken this as a test market for our premium beer, and we are sure that the kind of packaging, the first time in India we have introduced a twist cap, and first time it is a printed bottle we are offering, and a 30 days matured beer, which is generally not in the case of beer, and it is such a fine product. We hope that this product will do good in the market, and let's hope this product will do well. Thanks for all of you to come here and join the occasion. Thanks you.
Sir, what is unique in Woodpecker beer rather than other beer?
You see, it is like, it's like food product. You see, you have one dish. Suppose you have one dal. Everyone offers a dal. Dal fry, everyone offers. But every place has got a difference. Everyone offers a chicken. But a making of a dish in chicken in a different style, that makes the particular restaurant or a joint popular. We also have a very special taste, very soothing, mild taste of the beer. And as I personally traveled every part of the world, I am not saying because it is our product, but I have not tasted such a mild and beautiful product in my life. So I am sure that since the people of Karnataka are connoisseurs, they understand what is good beer, and I have also confidence in the consumers of the Karnataka who want to try a good new product from the market. So that's why we are confident this product will do well, and that's what this product differentiates from others.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವುಡ್ಪೆಕರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಲರೀಸ್ ಬ್ರೂರೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರೋದಂಥ ಬಿಯರ್ ಇದು ವುಡ್ಪೆಕರ್ ಬಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬಿಯರ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು ಪವರ್ ಕೂಲ್ ಬಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮದು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ವುಡ್ಪೆಕರ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಬಿಯರ್ಸು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಬಿಯರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಬಿಯರ್ಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಬಿಯರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಬಿಯರು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಬಿಯರ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೇ ಮೊದಲಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಚೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಆಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬೆವರೇಜ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಡಿಪೋಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದೆ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ಸು. ಇವತ್ತು ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಾಳೆ ಶನಿವಾರ ರಜೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೋಮವಾರದಿಂದ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಶುರುವಾಗ್ತದೆ. ರಿಟೇಲರ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 30 ಡೇಸಿಂದ 45 ಡೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು 500ರಿಂದ 1000 ಅಂಗಡಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮದು ಈಗ ಆಗಲೇ ವುಡ್ಪೆಕರ್ 5 ಲೀಟರ್ ಕೆಗ್ ಆಗಲೇ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅದು ನಾವು ಬಡ್ವೈಸರ್ಗಿಂತ ಒಂದು 25% ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀ ₹5 ಅವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೈಲ್ಡ್ ಬಿಯರ್ ಗ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬಿಯರ್ ಬಂದು ₹225 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಬಿಯರ್ ಕ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಯರ್ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ₹235 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.